ITV Gold's India correspondent Anand highlights the urgent need for the country to transition from traditional wood-burning cremations to electric or gas-fired alternatives. This shift is essential to address the significant pollution caused by cremation grounds, which contribute to air quality degradation and deforestation. By adopting cleaner cremation methods, India can reduce its environmental impact and promote a healthier living environment for its citizens. Take a look.
शमशान भूमि ऐसी कि 24 घंटे यहाँ पंच तत्वों में अर्थियां विलीन होती रहती हैं। आम जनमानस में मृत्यु यहाँ भय नहीं बल्कि उत्सव की अवधारणा में रचा बसा है। आज भारत की आबादी 140 करोड़ से भी अधिक हो चुकी है। जिस गति से इनका दोहन हुआ है और कंक्रीट के जंगलों का विस्तार हो रहा है, तो आखिर कब तक लकड़ी मिलेगी और कितने घास के मैदान बचेंगे?
The remains of this man makes way to the crematorium. Like all of us humans, he too leaves behind a string of ecologically disastrous footprint through his various forms of consumption. Refrigerated food, air conditioning, heated homes, guzzling cars, to mention a few. But there is another little package of thick fumes he will be responsible for, from the wood that will be used to cremate him. About 95 lakhs people die every year in India. Nearly 80 lakhs are cremated. An average 300 kilograms of wood are used as catalyst to efficiently immolate remains of an average-sized human, culminating into about 2.5 billion kilograms of wood. Along with it, the well-heeled often douse the remains of their loved ones with ghee, leading to thickening of smoke. The environment devastation from cremation is nearly never talked about as a source of pollution in India. India needs to urgently shift its population towards electric or gas-fired cremation centers.
ताकि पर्यावरण के अनुकूल जीवन मृत्यु का संबल बन सके। ऐसे में जरूरी है जब से चेते तब से होई, नहीं तो इंसान अकेले बैठ के रोई।
Considering the legacy of environmental concern shown by every era of Indian civilization, in this modern era, noxious fumes must not symbolize the last journey of an Indian.
संत कबीर दास ने ये भी कहा है, तूने आकर खोल दी एक विचित्र दुकान, दो चीजें ही आंख में, चिता और शमशान.
With Dr. Virendra Mishra, this is Anand Velayudan for ITV USA from Delhi.